Hello and welcome to the premier YouTube channel for shipping container projects from around the world. In this video, we feature unique shipping container eco cabins in George, Western Cape, South Africa, designed by Innovative Modular Concepts. Stay tuned to find out more about these modern container eco cabins. Welcome back. These unique and amazing eco cabins made from shipping containers were designed and built by Innovative Modular Concepts for Bath and fellow eco cabins in George, Western Cape, South Africa. Each of these charming cabins is built using two 40-foot shipping containers joined side by side, creating 320 square feet of bespoke luxury living. The steel wall of the front-facing container is cut out to create a big covered deck on the front facade of each cabin. Carved steel sections were welded on the docking ends of the shipping containers to create nicely carved container pods. Each pod is cladded with hardwood timber siding on the rounded edges and portions of the outdoor shower. The cabins were prefabricated as separate modules in the factory and later delivered on trucks and assembled on site. The cabins sit on elevated steel pier foundation on a gentle hillside, strategically positioned with the big balconies fronting natural lake, famous with the buffaloes and other wildlife. The cabin's main entry is accessed from the rear on the hillside. Two of the original container cargo doors have been recycled to enclose part of the living space. The entire home opens up to become a livable indoor-outdoor space. Most of the living functions lines part of the rear wall, creating enough room for an open-plan living space with an obstructed movement between other functions on the opposite end. The living room is fitted with modern furnishings with a cozy sofa, a crackling wood burner in one corner, bespoke wall decoration, a reading chair, and a flat-screen TV mounted on the wall. The kitchen is a small, compact modern space fitted with modern kitchen appliances with adequate under-the-counter storage and overhead open shelf storage. Next to the kitchen is a cozy breakfast area with a dining table that can comfortably sit 2 or 4 depending on the configuration. The large deck stretching the entire frontage of the cabin can serve as an outdoor dining area, but can also be used as a spot to chill and soak in the amazing view of the buffaloes, having a drink at the lake, and enormous heritage around the property. On the farthest end of the cabin is a spacious bedroom with a comfy double bed and 2 bedside cabinets. The bed space features an open bathroom lined with fully tiled walls and floor with a beautiful bathtub next to the dresser and a big mirror plus a dressing table. Next to the bedroom is a small toilet space fitted with a bespoke water closet. The toilet is fitted with a stained timber band door to save on the limited bed space. A sizable wash-hand basin with adequate under-the-sink storage is strategically fixed in the passage next to the outdoor shower. In the extreme corner of the front balcony is a spacious outdoor shower with an open viewing window for amazing views of the lake. The shower is fitted with an amazing shower head and meticulously lined with timber walling plus black penny tiles on the rounded sides. The home has been tastefully remodeled to embrace the relaxed country home aesthetic with an open plan and warm, welcoming interiors. The black penny tiles is a common theme in all the wet areas of the house, including the bathroom and the kitchen backsplash. All the sanitary ware, the kitchen cabinets, and the shelving in the house are pitch black. Carefully selected timber slats are used to decorate portions of the living room and the bedroom spaces. The interior spaces are well insulated and lined with modular plasterboard finish. The high ceilings throughout create a feeling of airiness, openness, and spaciousness, helping to eliminate any claustrophobic feel on the interior space. The cabin floor finish is sleek and modern, finished with vinyl floors on the inside and hardwood timber boards on the floor of the balcony. The big open balcony on the entire front facade of the cabin provides an excellent outdoor space to complement the limited indoor living space. The clean, sleek railing makes the deck a safe place while still offering unrestricted views of the lake and its surroundings. The main highlight of the cabin is the wood-fired hot tub on the balcony. A nice place to cap off your evening with a soak in the wood-fired hot tub while enjoying uninterrupted views of the lake and the enormous heritage on the property. In addition, there is an outdoor barbecue for a traditional South African jiko on one end of the balcony to enjoy some roast or snuggle up next to at night as you enjoy the amazing sunsets. The exterior design embraces a mix of materials including glass, steel, and timber. The grooves of the raw shipping container walls are visible at the back and portions of the front wall, which brings out the industrial vibe of the design. The cabin is cladded with timber siding on the rounded edges and portions of the outdoor shower to give the pods a sleek modern touch and a natural finish to blend the cabins into their pristine landscape. The balcony ceiling is equally covered with ceiling boards and is fitted with recessed ceiling lights. We love everything about these amazing ecopods. Which part of this design appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comments section below. These amazing ecopods were built by Innovative Modular Concepts for Bath and fellow eco cabins in Western Cape, South Africa. If you want to book and stay in one of these units, visit the Bath and Fellow website through the link in the description below. It is also listed as a guest house on Airbnb starting at $73 per night. If you love what you see and want to order your own converted container structure, you can contact Innovative Modular Concepts on their website, modularafrica.co.za, or email them through info@modularafrica.co.za. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. If you like our content, give us a thumbs up or your opinion by posting in the comments section below, and feel free to share this video. If you want to learn more about shipping container living, please subscribe and remember to click the notification bell to get notified whenever we post a new video. If you have a shipping container project or a container rental, you can have it featured on our YouTube channel absolutely free. Kindly get in touch on our website sheltermode.com or contact us at sheltermode on all social media pages. Without further ado, let's get started.